me and water were enemies. Just so you know, there will be some screaming on the boat.
My name is Svaberg. I came to Norway 7 years ago and I quickly fell in love with the country and the language. I also noticed that there are words in Norwegian that are totally untranslatable to other languages. Therefore, Visit Norway is sending me on an adventure so I can truly learn the meaning of these words in Word of the Day.
Wow. What a place. Hi, Safari. Welcome to Hvaler. Thank you. The word of the day is Svaberg. A girl named Lisa will show you lots of Svaberg. Enjoy and good luck. Thank you. Svaberg. It sounds very Norwegian. Svaberg.
Svaberg is best described as a smooth rock slope, often leading down to the sea. Kind of like a beach without sand. The Svabergs were formed during the last ice age, but they are mostly associated to the summer. Norwegians spend their entire days by the hot and smooth Svabergs, sunbathing, wakeboarding, surfing, kayaking, stand-up paddling, sailing, among many other things. And since Norway has one of the longest coastlines in the world, the chances are big that you can chill out on your own Svaberg for the day.
I would like to say that this place is so amazing. It's beautiful. This is very clear water. I think we found Lisa.
Hi, Safari.
Hello, Lisa.
Ready to go for a boat trip?
Yes, I am. I actually have a secret to tell you. Me and water were enemies.
Oh.
Not so good friends.
Do you want a small one or
No,
this one?
I want the big one.
Okay.
Please. I want the big one for extra protection from the water. Just so you know, Lisa, there will be some screaming on the boat. Okay.
Great, come on, you're almost there. Very good.
Okay. Where is the most safest place?
Right next to me. You can sit here. This is the safest place.
Let's go find some Svaberg!
Let's do that.
Welcome to Norway! It's beautiful!
If you see over here, all the nice rocks,
Yeah?
that's called Svaberg.
Okay.
It's very special. Isn't it beautiful?
They look so weird, but so pretty at the same time.
Yeah.
Svaberg. What is Svaberg?
It's from the Ice Age, big glaciers that have moved over our fjords, and then you can see stones that polish from the ice.
It's kind of like mountain that go into the ocean, if that makes sense.
Sort of the rolling rocks just by the coast.
Technically mountains where you could just stay there and lay down with your friends and have a picnic.
You can lay there in the sun and enjoy the nice weather in the summer.
Okay, Safari, now we're here. I know a very nice spot. So now we're gonna walk on some very nice Svaberg. Let's go. Perfect.
Oh!
So you see all this? This is Svaberg.
Wow.
This is carved out from the last ice age. So this is natural from a long time ago. It is very regular for Norwegians to hang out on Svaberg. To have a picnic or swim or just relax.
Or maybe
That's
sleep.
Maybe take a nap, yeah.
And take a nap. I would like to take a nap here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's very warm. It's like a weird, smooth mountain. I'm trying to find a very nice, smooth spot.
Can you check out the spot over there and I'll just go get something?
Okay. See you soon.
you hungry?
Whoa!
We have shrimps, crab, and some oysters, crayfish.
This was impressive.
Cheers.
Cheers. This was delicious. Hi, Lisa.
You're supposed to like drink it and
Drink
swallow
it?
it. Yeah.
Oh.
You like it?
It was so slimy that it couldn't like go inside.
So the way we eat this is that we peel them, put it on a sandwich with mayo and lemon,
Okay.
and then it's ready.
Okay.
I think I'm ready.
I'm ready too.
Look, it's pretty.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I feel lucky to be on a Svaberg eating shrimp.
Yeah, me too. I have a last surprise for you.
Okay.
We are going to fish some crabs. So this is a krabbesnøre. All Norwegians have childhood memories fishing crabs. So now we need to find a mussel to put on this one
Okay.
and see if we can get some crabs.
Okay.
You take the krabbesnøre, bring it down
And
in the water.
okay.
And now we just have to wait for the crab to come and get the mussel.
Come here, crabby, crabby, crabby. How long do we have to wait?
You lost it!
I had a crab and then I lost it.
It was pretty big.
I have one!
Okay.
I have one!
Yeah.
Yes! Can we name him Mr. Krabby?
Sure, Mr. Krabby.
Goodbye, Mr. Krabby. What an experience. That was so fun. Woo! Okay, Lisa, thank you for the day. It was very nice to be here in Hvaler, and I got to see the Svaberg for the first time, and I got to eat some nice food. I hope you can always go back to the Svaberg and check on Mr. Krabs and make sure he's okay.
Sure, I'll do that.
Oh, thank you.
Go.
I see you very soon.
Yeah.
This is not the last time you've seen me.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. And thank you for the food. So, I might be smiling, but I'm actually sad. I'm about to leave Svaberg and I'm about to leave Hvaler. But I had the best time of my life today. It's been amazing. I got to hang out on the Svaberg for the first time. I got to hang out in Hvaler, and I can't wait to know what the next word is. So thank you for today and see you next time.